So in this recording now, I'm just going to show you exactly how to add in an image into a responsive website and how it's so that when the images relatively see the same size when actually enlarging or making the website smaller. And I guess how right now here the images are actually kind of staying relatively the exact same size. Okay, so here, so we're going to do the same procedure we usually do, that being the site root folder with the images and pretty much everything is blank between. So we're going to go here now, file create new HTML, create, and we're just going to make nothing. We're not really going to be doing anything fancy. It's just basically making a very basic thing. So no navs or headers or anything. We're basically just going to just do the images and the paragraphs. So for this paragraph, lorem ipsum tab here, and just copy and paste this 3 times. Okay, all there. So next part now is create the CSS folder. Source is new, CSS, link, browse, CSS. Okay. So now it's gonna make a class for it, so we can get that kind of column effect. P class equals width. Let's make it about 29%, because we're going to be adding padding and margins data, so we don't want everything to be going above 100%. So margin, say 5 pixels, and for padding, or around 5 pixels. Also making sure that it's floats, and now come in here, standard procedure, class equals P class, and just do it for every one of them. Yeah, sorry if you kind of hear some stuff in the background. Okay, well that's there. Okay, so the next part now is to actually add the images. So what we're going to do now is going to click these elements, in this case the section or paragraph, and using Command Alt I, they're going to add an image and they're going to actually nest it. So you're going to desktop, site root, images, and just going to add these here. Now personally, one time all these images are actually the same size for me, around 565 by 565 pixels. So next part, the selector, we're going, well yeah, images. So since it's nested within, since the images are actually nested within these paragraphs, which are 28%, they're going to be relative to these 28% paragraphs. That's why images can't start off here. Also, try and remember to start, when adding images, start from right to left. Yeah, that's it, right to left. So for image, in the image selector, we're going to add in width 100%, and for height, auto, and there you go. That's how it looks immediately one time. So once we, and then you see once we yeah, sorry, it's kind of sticking. Yeah, once we kind of play around with it, we can actually, it stays relatively same size, and that being, well, the square. So we're just going to add in the other images now. So Command Alt I, or Option I, nest, and yeah, it's already added the image selector. There, that means it should all follow the same rule one time. So, okay, that's about it. That's really about it right there. I mean, you could also do some things like just kind of add in a bit more cosmetics to it. Like just, if you don't like the kind of square look, you just kind of put in some padding, not padding, around the edges, border radius, sorry, overall, so you can get kind of a little effect. Yeah, you won't be seeing him since he's kind of since his background is already like this. So yeah, that's basically how everything works. Okay.